Statesmen, members of National Assembly, members of the House of Assembly, members of State Executive Council, Chairman of Local Government Council, ladies and gentlemen, that's another momentum by His Excellency to secure the mandate of the people for a second term in office. The enthusiastic crowd that is here to witness the declaration shows and testifies that today's declaration is a mere formality. The overwhelmingly elected His Excellency for heeding to their call to renew his mandate and remain in office for the next 4 years. The reason for this demonstration of support and solidarity from the people for His Excellency is obvious. Rivers people have seen that Governor Rotimi Amaechi is an epitome of progressive governance, positive change, and grassroots transformation. In just 3.5 years, Rivers State under Governor Rotimi Amaechi have experienced a revolutionary transformation in the areas of education, healthcare, road infrastructure, power generation, etc. In the history of Rivers State, no administration has demonstrated greater commitment to accountability, transparency, and public participation in governance, as Governor Amaechi has done with his town hall, stewardship, and consultation meeting with community members. Governor Amaechi's concrete economic, social, and cultural achievements are so the unrepentant cynics now accept that Rivers State is indeed going through a golden era of reconstruction, regeneration, and transformation at a pace and figure never before seen in the history of the creation of the state. Though so much has been achieved in the past and 3.5 years, we still believe that there's more to be done. There's still much to be done to create jobs for the youth and get rid of poverty. However, despite the magnitude of the developmental challenges facing the state, Rotimi Amaechi has demonstrably shown that no developmental goal is impossible to achieve, neither is any hurdle difficult to surmount. Therefore, Rivers people have every reason to re-elect and return Rotimi Amaechi to office as governor, not only to consolidate the case of his first tenure, but also to enable him fully accomplish his mission and vision for building a peaceful, secure, developed, and prosperous Rivers State. He is the man God Almighty has ordained to take Rivers State to a higher level of sustainable peace, progress, and greatness. In a democracy, the people are the principal source of power. Accordingly, our task as a campaign organization is to reach out to every corner of the state and mobilize the people to freely and fairly re-elect His Excellency to office as the governor of the state and in both forthcoming party primary and general elections. Ordinarily, to accomplish this similar task is an enormous responsibility. However, we consider ourselves to be very lucky because His Excellency's glowing achievements have seemingly made our task a lot easier. Rivers people can practically see, feel, and enjoy the transformation that has taken place in the state in the past 3.5 years. Rivers people are also convinced that His Excellency is more than resolved to do greater things and make life more meaningful for them if re-elected. They simply cannot wait to re-elect His Excellency, Rotimi Amaechi, as their governor for the next 4 years. Thank all of you for honoring this August event with your distinguished presence. Let me assure His Excellency and his TV supporters that we are totally committed and will do the best to ensure the people's candidate, Right Honorable Rotimi Amaechi emerges victorious at the party primaries and subsequently be re-elected in the general election. With God on our side, victory is certain.
You know, when you have a big fish, you must be careful. We are addressing other national issues. And as he arrived, we brought him here. Let's begin by thanking God for a day like this, for the weather, for the life. If we are not alive, this program may have gone on, but not with us that are dead. So we must thank God for the life that He has given us and for putting us in office in a manner that most of you didn't expect. We must be grateful to God. Again, we are here to seek God's presence to proceed to the next level. I tell my friends that change means destruction of the past. You can't have a change when the past will remain. And our agenda is the change agenda. I will do everything possible in this campaign to try to dwell on only issues. I will not respond to abuses or allegations. I will dwell on only issues. And the issues will be along this line: education and education and education. Because I believe that if we are not educated, crime will continue, poverty will continue. After education, I will dwell on health. Let us ask ourselves the question: is our health program succeeding or not? What is the alternative to our health agenda? We want to know from those who will compete with us. And we will ask the question: what do we need to do about power? Don't we ensure that power is improved in Rivers State to make sure that it becomes a catalyst to industrial development so that we can create employment opportunities for our people? We will also deal with the issue of poverty, and we begin to readdress microfinance and see how to create microeconomy before we deal with the issue of macroeconomy of Rivers State. Most importantly, to all of you and to all of us, will be the issue of security. Where were we in the past? Who brought us to where we were? How did we lose the young men that we lost? Why did people begin to carry gun in the name of Niger Delta struggle? What has led to that? Who were the people that sponsored these people? We will address that. We will address the issue. We will address the issue of where we are now. Have we progressed in the area of security? Can we have nightlife? Can we hold parties? Can there be night vigils? I was in a night vigil yesterday till 4 a.m. And all those who came for the night vigil went home successfully. They were not attacked. It wasn't like that 2, 3, 4 years ago. Now we think that progress is gradually beginning to take place in the state. I can only say one thing to you. We have been challenged that we are not voted for this time. Now our names will be on the ballot. Let us see who God will make the governor of Rivers State. We are open to debate the past. We are open to debate the present. We are open to debate the future. We invite our opponents, not opponents, our friends, our brothers and sisters who want to run, beginning from the primary, to come forward with what they are offering the state. We invite them to tell us what they can bring to the table of Rivers people. We invite them to tell us what changes they bring. We are tired of the past. We need to see the future. What good thing about the whole situation is that all of us who are competing for this position have served in one capacity or the other in government. You must judge us based on our performance. You must judge us also on our ability to walk the streets after we have left office. let me thank you and use this opportunity to invite His Excellency, the Vice President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, to address his people. But as he comes down, I stand to say that I'm ready for the competition. And that as far as the Rivers State government is concerned, we will do everything possible to ensure that the election is not only free, it will be fair, and the people will decide who will be their governor. Thank you.
Nigeria, Your Excellency, my brother, Honorable Rotimi Amaechi, and your beautiful wife, the chairman of this occasion, our leader, Chief Tony Anini, River State Governor, Senator Lea Imoke, to my brother, the Governor of River State. What I have seen today is the confirmation of what I have seen about 2 weeks ago. I was here in Port Harcourt. We went round all River State in helicopter because I told him, when I come to Rivers, I want to see that good work which I saw when I was governor in Kaduna State on drawing board. I went and saw it. It has become practical, physical on the ground. I have seen primary schools of international standard. I have seen secondary schools of international standard. I have seen power plants of international standard. I have seen the mono train of international standard like that of Dubai. I have seen roads of international standard. I have seen flyovers of international standard. I have seen programs, if I can continue till tomorrow morning. I now know that the River State people are wise people. The River State people are wise people. Because what you are telling us today is that you have endorsed Right Honorable Rotimi Amaechi. I want to add thank you to that, because during that visit, I also attended a big ceremony of our clan, where then I reconfirm our endorsement. I want to use this opportunity today to say I'm representing Mr. President. He would have liked to be here himself, but he has asked me to tell you the good news, that he endorsed everything Amaechi is doing, and he endorsed that 2011 he should continue. And I totally agree with the last speaker who says that whether you are PDP or PPP or CPC or whatever, if you have big form of the return needs. Our man. Yes, sir. PDP. PDP. River State.
Amaechi,
Rivers State,
Amaechi,
Rivers State,
Amaechi,
Karigo,
Amaechi,
Karigo,
Amaechi,
Karigo,
Amaechi,
PDP, PDP,
power,
power,
PDP.
Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.
We are happy, we get our belly sweet. Him don't make our life better. We are happy, we dance. But he don't make our belly sweet. He don't make our life better. The hard work for God, it is good in River State. I'm ready, making my mind.